Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Vimeo, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a Vimeo video? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete one of your Vimeo videos anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your videos are no longer relevant, so it's better just to go ahead and delete it from your Vimeo so it's not taking up your space. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Vimeo account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete a Vimeo video, you want to click on library here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to see all the videos you have in Vimeo. You can see I just have this one. And there's a few ways you can delete your videos. First off, you can just hover over these three dots right here and click on it. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop down menu and you can click on delete. Now, if you want to delete more than one, if you hover over each video, you can go ahead and check it and keep checking each video. Once you're ready to go ahead and delete multiple videos, go ahead and click on this delete button down here on the bottom. And lastly, if you want to delete all your videos, you're going to click on this blue check mark right here and it's going to select all your videos and you'll just click on delete. Once you do that, you're going to see this warning right here that you're going to permanently delete this video from Vimeo. Also, they do warn you that if it's embedded into other websites or other services, it's not going to display. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on this red delete button. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using this video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a Vimeo video in your account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.